Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to disable newsletter invitations on the LinkedIn app using your phone. If you are tired of receiving unwanted newsletter invites from your network, this video will guide you through the process. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, tap on Data Privacy. Next, choose Invitations for your network. Then, find the option that says Allow Newsletter Invitations and switch it off. Finally, exit the settings and you will no longer receive newsletter invitations from your connections. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.